Humans, the most destructive and the most creative species on the planet. We've learned to reshape rivers, move mountains, stop epidemics, and wipe out entire ecosystems. But here's the twist. Nature actually needs humans, and our role goes far deeper than the old idea of rulers of the earth. We are the only species capable of understanding the consequences of our actions, the only species that can destroy, and the only one that can restore. Today we break down 10 functions humans play in nature, 10 unusual facts, and why our presence is both a risk and an opportunity. 10 functions of humans in nature. Culinary. 1. Creators of artificial ecosystems. Fields, orchards, reservoirs, parks. We build environments where plants, insects, birds, and mammals can all thrive. Not perfect, but functional. Chuckers. 2. Accelerators of evolution. Hunting, farming, cities, climate shifts, all push species to adapt faster. Animals become smarter, quicker, more cautious. 3. Controllers of predators and invasive species. We regulate wolves, stray dogs, rats, and often prevent invasive species from overrunning native habitats. 4. Guardians of endangered animals. Reserves, breeding programs, global agreements. Humans are the only reason some species came back from the brink. 5. Restorers of ruined ecosystems. We can clean rivers, reforest deserts, and bring life back to damaged land. 6. Builders of global food networks. We breed billions of animals, feeding countless predators, from foxes and hawks to scavengers. 7. Spreaders of plants across the planet. Apples, potatoes, wheat, rice, corn. Humans carry them across the world. Without us, many plants would never meet new ecosystems. 8. Creators of urban wildlife habitats. Pigeons, crows, foxes, raccoons, gulls, cats, dogs. They all thrive because our cities give them niches that never existed before. 9. Filters of global threats through knowledge. We understand viruses, climate, ecology. Humans are the only species that can prevent global disasters before they begin. The moral dimension of nature. Nature has no ethics. Humans do. We're the only species able to ask, is this right? And act on the answer. 10 unusual facts about humans. 1. The only species that changes the planet consciously. Animals shape their environment by instinct. Humans, by choice. 22. Our brain consumes 20% of all body energy. No other species invests so much into thinking. 3. We can cooperate in groups of millions. No animal can build cities, agree on laws, create transport, or form entire civilizations. 4. Domestication began 15,000 years ago, and it changed the destiny of dozens of species. 5. We are the planet's top seed dispersers, on shoes, trucks, boats. Each person transports hundreds of seeds in their lifetime. 6. Humans create more ecosystems than they destroy. Industrial zones, dumps, cities, all become new habitats for thousands of species that adapt to human presence. 7. The only species with advanced technology. Fire, metal, the internet, spaceflight, not just tools, but an entirely new dimension of existence. 8. We can heal nature. Artificial forests, ocean cleanup, species reintroduction, all real ongoing projects. 9. We alter climate locally. Cities create heat islands, forests change humidity, reservoirs change wind. 10. The only species that studies itself and the entire Earth. We understand DNA. We understand the history of the planet. and we can decide what the future looks like. Conclusion. Humans are not only destroyers, humans are choice. We can harm, we can restore, we can be nature's worst enemy or its greatest protector. Our function is not domination, but understanding and building conditions where all life can thrive. If this video taught you something, support the channel, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which topic to explore next.